Immigration Updates January 2026 Full IRCC Update. January 2026 brought several important Canada immigration updates, including express entry changes, provincial nominee program activity, study permit rule updates, processing changes, and continued focus on targeted immigration selection. In today's video, we'll cover the biggest Canada immigration updates from 1st January to 31st January 2026. Canada started 2026 with major immigration rule changes. Canada introduced several immigration and labor policy changes at the beginning of 2026. Some major changes included easier study permit rules for certain graduate students, tighter controls in some temporary resident categories, and changes affecting entrepreneurs and provincial immigration programs. Canada also continued reducing overall temporary resident growth while focusing more on economic immigration priorities. Canada continued targeted express entry selection. IRCC continued issuing invitations to apply through express entry during January 2026. Canada focused mainly on provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based draws. Priority occupations continued including healthcare, skilled trades, STEM occupations, agriculture, education, and French-speaking candidates. This confirmed that Canada's immigration system continues focusing heavily on labor shortages and economic priorities. Canada increased focus on French-speaking immigration. Another major development in January 2026 was Canada's increased focus on Francophone immigration outside Quebec. The government announced additional permanent residence spaces for French-speaking immigrants across Canada. French-speaking applicants may continue receiving strong advantages through express entry and provincial immigration programs in 2026. Provincial nominee programs continued expanding. Several provinces also continued targeted immigration selection during January 2026. Provincial programs focused heavily on healthcare workers, skilled trades, entrepreneurs, and workers already employed locally. Provincial immigration remained one of the strongest pathways to Canadian permanent residence. For many applicants, provincial nominee programs may now provide better opportunities than regular express entry selection. Study permit rules changed in 2026. Canada also introduced important study permit changes starting in January 2026. Some graduate students became exempt from provincial attestation letter requirements and study permit caps. These changes mainly benefited master's students, doctoral students, and public institution graduate programs. Processing times continued changing. IRCC also updated immigration processing timelines during January 2026. Some immigration categories improved slightly, while others continued experiencing delays because of high application inventories. Work permits and super visas continued facing delays in some countries, while some visitor visa processing times improved. Applicants were advised to apply early, monitor expiry dates, and submit complete applications. Express entry competition remained high. The express entry pool remained highly competitive throughout January 2026. Higher CRS scores continued becoming more common, especially among provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based candidates. Applicants may need stronger language scores, Canadian work experience, or provincial nominations to improve their chances. Canada continued moving toward targeted immigration. One major trend in 2026 became very clear. Canada is moving toward more targeted immigration selection. Priority continued going to workers already inside Canada, candidates in high-demand occupations, French-speaking applicants, and workers willing to live outside major cities. This means immigration selection is becoming more focused on labor shortages and economic needs. What applicants should focus on? If you are planning Canada PR in 2026, experts recommend improving language scores, gaining skilled work experience, exploring provincial nominee programs, and staying updated on category-based draws. Because Canada's immigration system continues changing quickly. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.